अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू द वन चैनल। और आज हमारे पास बहुत ब्यूटीफुल एंड वेरी ग्रेसफुल लेडी मौजूद हैं, अलीना, हेड ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डिपार्टमेंट, और यहाँ पर आई हैं मॉस्कोपॉलिटन यूनिवर्सिटी के साथ। सो लेट्स वेलकम हर। हेलो, हाउ आर यू?
I'm fine, Harlan.
I'm good. Tell me something about yourself. Introduce the people about yourself.
Dear friend, my name is Alina and I came here to Pakistan, to Karachi from Russia, from Moscow Polytechnic University.
Wow.
And our goal here to spread Russian education.
Very nice. So I have heard that this is one of the best university in Russia. Is it true?
Yes, of course, we are one of the best universities and we have wide range of different educational programs, and despite the fact that we are called Polytechnic University, we have not only engineering specialty, but of course engineering too. We have faculty of IT, information technology, mechanical engineering, transport faculty, urban studies, journalistics, economics, management, and I think that students from Pakistan can find everything and get the best skills at our university.
Oh, that's great. So would you like to tell me something about the scholarship that you're providing, or what are the things that you're providing for the Pakistani people?
Yes, sure. You know that it is a great opportunity to study in Russia for free. And Russian House is located here in Karachi gives this opportunity. They give scholarship. Students from Pakistan can choose 6 universities on their choice and be enrolled at one of the best universities of the Russian Federation, and everything is covered. Studies is covered, and also they will get some money depending on their academic results, and also accommodation for very, very affordable price. And I think it is really good chance, yes, and I highly recommend to visit website educationinrussia.com and be part of our Moscow Polytechnic University.
Wow, that's a wonderful thing, and I think for Pakistani it's a very good opportunity. You're getting everything and you're giving nothing and getting everything. Okay, I just wanted to know about your visit to Pakistan. Is this the first time, or how many times you have been to Pakistan?
Oh no, it became a great tradition. We 5 years ago we came the first time, and every year we visit Karachi, Pakistan, in order to enroll students from here, and of course we have students right now from Pakistan. Moreover, expect we also do some cultural events, except some events that to spread Russian education. We also spread Russian culture, and you know, in April we conducted a festival of the Russian culture that is called Russia is My Soul, and we was really impressed. A lot of students from Pakistan, they visited the festival, they read poems in Russian language and also take part in different kind of activities. And of course next year we're also planning to bring this festival here, and we are really looking forward to seeing soon our dear friends from Pakistan, our dear students who are interested in Russian culture.
Wow, that's wonderful. That means you have been here for 5 times. This is your 5th time, and you are in love with Pakistan and with the students.
Yes,
did you try the local food?
Yes, of course. You know, we are here like locals the first time, and yes, you know, we are really lucky here, and special people. Thank you so much. You're so hospitable, so kind, and of course, because of it, we would like to come here again and again.
Did you try biryani?
Yes, biryani is my favorite one.
Okay, what is the message that you're going to give to the people who are listening to us, that why should they come to Russia?
You know, Russia gives a really good education, and it is a really great chance because we give quality, and scholarship gives a great chance to study the students for free and open all potential of students and make all dreams true. And because of it, I highly recommend to visit Russian House. By the way, we will be there on Saturday, tomorrow at 12 o'clock. We give our presentation, and there's also will be some cultural quiz. And of course, I'm sure that Russia open a lot of opportunities, and I highly recommend students from Pakistan choose Russian universities in order to get the best education in the world.
Wow, that's so nice. That you mean that this is the best opportunity for Pakistanis to come over to Russian House also and to get information about it. And you will be there, so you'll be conducting some activities with the students from different students from the university. So why not? You can come to Russian House also and have a chit chat with this lady, Alina. And now tell me about something, your experience that you said, wow, this is the place where I wanted to be, like Karachi. Did you have some good experience or bad experience, whatever?
Frankly speaking, no bad experience, because of it we come here again and again, and of course the thing that really impressed as students who are really motivated to get education, and of course Moscow Polytechnic University can do everything in order to meet their interests, and it has really impressed me and inspires me. The students really motivated and want to get good skills and good education.
Okay, that is a part of scholarship. If directly the student wants to come, what is the procedure? How can they do that?
Okay, yes, there are two ways. You know, the first one is apply for scholarship, and the second one is apply directly. Speaking about scholarship, you can apply till December 15. Speaking about if you want to apply directly, it's open only paid-based education, and it is necessary to apply if you want to study next year. It is necessary to apply in June. In June, it's necessary to apply passport with translation and document about your previous education with translation and apostille also. And then you need to pass 3 exams, and if you pass them successfully, you can study at Moscow Polytechnic University.
Wow, I have also heard that the rest of the world is so expensive, but the Russian education is far, far less than anyone in the world. I have heard less than Pakistani. Is it true?
You know, in Russian Federation we give really quality education, and moreover it is life there very, very safety, and also it is very convenient for students because students get a lot of benefits, you know. Accommodation for students with scholarship is very, very cheap, approximately $15 per month.
Wow.
Very affordable price, and moreover they have discounts in all events. Also they get money monthly, and it is very, very convenient for students to live in Russia because there are a lot of privileges for them and a lot of benefits because of it. More and more students every year come to Russia in order to get education. At Moscow Polytechnic University we have students all over the world, 79 countries, of course.
Wow, 79 countries.
Yeah,
wow,
79
excellent.
countries. It's a real multicultural community, and of course from Pakistan.
Yeah, I have also seen that the students from Pakistan has participated for the first time in dance competition or something like that. Oh, that was very nice. Okay, one more thing that I would love to ask. These barriers are there, the language barriers there. Is there something which you're doing for the barrier?
Of course. I think everybody hears that Russian language is not easy one, right? But speaking about scholarship, if you get scholarship, you get everything. Also, language course is included. At first, system like at first we teach you Russian language. It is a very, very intensive program that duration 1 year. Students have lectures every day, 4 lectures for Russian language, different aspects, and students really adore time in preparatory course because except of lectures, we give them excursion tours, they visit some museums, Russian festivals, events, we celebrate all holidays together, and of course due to this opportunity, after 1 year students speak Russian fluently because dear friends, don't scare if you think that I can't study in Russia, I don't speak Russian language at all. Scholarship gives also preparatory course, Russian language course, and due to it you will speak Russian language fluently. And also speaking about if you go directly, also preparatory course is available. First we will prepare you with language and give you basic knowledge for your successful studies, and after that you start your basic measure. And education system in Russia is really smart, and every detail, for foreigners is considered. Because of it, don't hesitate, no worries, every student from Pakistan will feel there comfortable.
Wow, that is so nice, and so clearly you tell us in the detail that what should we do and how we can apply. Okay, there is one more thing. During the education, can the student do the job for some hours? Will they are able to do that? Because sometimes students need extra money, for the expenses.
Yes, sure. And here also a big advantage for students because several years ago we had new law that gives permission for students to work, but not preparatory course students. First year students, from the first year of main studies, our students can work. They need just get certificates that they're students. It is just very simple. We produce it during 1 day, and with the certificate they can be employed. And moreover, at our university, very good education system, because from the first year, it is our feature, from the first year of studies, we implemented such academic disciplines that is called project learning, project studies. What does it mean? It means that from the first year of studies, our students get not only theoretical knowledge, but practical ones. We give small groups, 5 people in a group, and our industrial partner gives them real tasks from the industry.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's really nice. Why we are doing it? Because after graduation from the university, the first problem, the biggest problem is that it's very difficult to find a good job because you have no experience. But we partly solving this problem, because from the first year our students is involved in project tasks with our industrial partners, and our students after graduation university and even during their studies get job offers.
Wow,
working
that's really nice.
Yeah, that's really nice. And except of it, of course, they have already working experience, because they not only give theory, yes, of course it's very important, but practical approach really matters. Because of it, we implementing it.
Oh, that's very nice. And what about the weather condition? Because in Karachi we don't have winter. Still we are waiting for the winter, but it's not there. What about the weather?
There is a stereotype that Russian climate is a really severe climate and it's very cold. Yes, in some part, because Russia is very huge and there is diversity of different climate zone, yes. And speaking about Russian climate in Moscow, it's like European climate. Summer is hot, yes, from May to September. Temperature right from 25 degrees centigrade till 30. Then autumn quite cool, yes, the 10 degree, and December, January, February, it is very beautiful months. Everything is white and snow, and it's cold a little bit. It can be -10 approximately.
Oh my God.
Yeah, but Moscow is very comfortable city. Transport system is very comfortable. It is very warm there, and heating also everywhere in every house. It is very warm. Because of it, it's not a big problem. And of course, our students are really getting used to it.
Oh, that's great. That means the facilities that you are providing, it's so good that you don't feel so cold. So,
Yes, that's true.
The last question that I would like to ask that if the students did not get the opportunity to go for the scholarship, so you are providing the extra, like you can come to your university directly.
Yeah.
So, what do you like to say to the students and listeners that how they will apply and where to go to apply to your university directly?
In order to apply to university directly, you can do it online. It starts from June next year, and it is necessary just to attach online form in your personal account at website of university. You need to attach your passport with translation and also your documents about your education with translation. Then pass free exam, and on the result of exam you will be enrolled on the academic
So
program.
there is no bank accounts or something like that has been.
After you pass exam and after your results are positive ones, yes, you can come and pay for your academic services.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Thank you so much. It was so lovely meeting you, and we have heard a lot of good things. And in a detail, she describes everything, and which is very nice. And I would like to say thank you so much. And the last thing, what do you want to say to our viewers?
I would like to say that, dear friends, don't hesitate to change your future and choose the best education in Russia at Moscow Polytechnic University. It is a great chance, of course, and don't miss this opportunity and apply right now.
ये थी मिस अलीना जो कि हमें बता रही थी रशियन एजुकेशन के बारे में, रशिया के बारे में, और उन्होंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस भी शेयर किया कि पाकिस्तान उनको कितना अच्छा लगा कि वो ये पहली दफ़ा नहीं, वो 5वीं दफ़ा पाकिस्तान आए और फिर वो ख्वाहिश रखती हैं कि वो दोबारा भी आएँ. थैंक यू सो मच. ये थी फरिया. आके वन चैनल देखते रहिए.
वॉइस ऑफ नेशन की वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल के आइकॉन पर क्लिक कीजिए ताकि आप हमारी तमाम आने वाली वीडियो से बाखबर रह सकें.